Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace spark plugs in an Audi A4. First, gather your essential tools, including a spark plug socket, extension, ratchet, and a torque wrench. Safety is paramount, so ensure your engine is completely cool to the touch. Always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before beginning any electrical work. This simple step prevents accidental shorts and ensures your safety throughout the process. Now, let's access those spark plugs. Begin by carefully removing the engine cover. It usually just pulls straight up. This will reveal the 4 ignition coils sitting atop each spark plug. Next, disconnect the electrical connector from each coil by pressing the release tab and pulling. Finally, unbolt the single fastener holding each coil in place, then gently pull each of the 4 coils straight up and out. With the coils removed, it's time for the main event. Use your spark plug socket and extension to carefully unscrew and remove each of the 4 old spark plugs. Take a moment to inspect them for any unusual wear patterns. Now, gently thread the new spark plugs into their ports by hand to avoid cross-threading. Finally, use your torque wrench to tighten each plug to the manufacturer's specification, typically around 22 Newton meters. Great job! Now, let's put everything back together. Carefully reinsert each of the 4 ignition coils, ensuring they click firmly into place over the new spark plugs. Reconnect all electrical connectors to the coils. Replace the engine cover, making sure it's securely seated. Finally, reconnect the negative terminal of your battery. Start your Audi A4 and listen for a smooth idle, confirming your successful spark plug replacement. You've done it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.